I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It's all too
Hi friends, hope you all are safe and sound. Today I am going to share my happiness with you since I have learned to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube after many attempts. Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle invented on 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture Rubik. It is a widely popular mechanical puzzle that has attracted attention around the world because of its unique characteristics. It is one of the most best-selling and a classic brain training toy used for scientific research and technology development by many scholars. Many people, after trying it a few times, places the cube on a shelf unsolved. Only a very few percentage of population completes this puzzle. But if you solve this puzzle, you can feel accomplished. Rubik's Cube are not only challenging and funny, they are good to us in many ways. They help us to improve memory, reflexes, problem-solving skills, patience and concentration. There are many types of Rubik's Cube available, but today I am going to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So take out your Rubik's Cube and test it off today. So go through some Rubik's Cube tutorial from YouTube, practice it continuously until you become a master in Rubik's Cube solving. Thank you.